Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murhar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Let us go to the next problem. Integral tan inverse of sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. We have formula sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x and 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x and 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. Now integral tan inverse of the sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x, this whole divided by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x formula 2 cos square x. Now in this one 2 as well as cos x get cancelled. Now tan inverse of this is also tan x, sin x by cos x is tan x. So tan inverse of tan x is nothing but x dx. So x dx is nothing but x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. So look at the next question. Integral tan inverse of sin x by 1 minus cos x. So we have formula sin x, half angle formula. Sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And 1 minus cos x, this formula is 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2. Now tan inverse of this sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This whole divided by 1 minus cos x. This formula 2 sin square x by 2. In this one 2 sin x by 2 gets cancelled. So integral tan inverse of cos x by sin x, we get cot x by 2. So integral tan inverse of this cot x by 2. We have cot x by 2, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. Okay, by using that formula cot x by 2, this can be written as tan 90 minus x by 2. Now tan inverse of tan function from inverse trigonometric functions, f inverse of f of x is equal to x. So this will be pi by 2 minus x by 2 dx. In this pi by 2 constant 1 dx minus 1 by 2 constant x dx. Pi by 2 into 1 dx value x and minus 1 by 2 into x dx value x square by 2. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. So integral tan inverse of under root 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. We have 1 minus sin x, 1 plus sin x formula. 1 minus sin x. So this value will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So as well as 1 plus sin x, this value will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay. Now first we have to find root 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. So this value will be 1 minus sin x. This expression we should write cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So square root get cancelled. This value will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So this is nothing but tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So why? Because so divide 1 cos x by 2 on numerator and denominator. This is 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. So 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. This form is tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay. Now explain this proof. So divide cos x by 2 on numerator as well as denominator. So this value will be 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. Okay, this one can be written as tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2 into tan pi by 4. So tan 45 value 1. So tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, this value will be tan A minus B value. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, therefore under root 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x, we got it tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, so what is required? So tan inverse of under root 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x, this value we got it tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, now so tan inverse of tan function, this will be, this is nothing but pi by 4 minus x by 2. So in this pi by 4 constant 1 dx minus in this 1 by 2 constant x dx. So pi by 4 into 1 dx value x and 1 by 2 into x dx value x square by 2 plus c. So this answer pi x by 4 minus 1 by 4 x square plus c. Let us go to the next problem. Integral tan inverse of this function. We have root 1 plus sin x and root 1 minus sin x formula. We have root 1 plus sin x. So this will be under root this one can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus sin x formula is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, where a place in cos x by 2 and b plus in sin x by 2 whole square. Root square get cancelled. So this will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So in the similarly root 1 minus sin x. Root 1 minus sin x value cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay. So what is our target? Integral tan inverse of, so root 1 plus sin x. This value will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus root 1 minus sin x. This will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This whole divided by, so denominator value is also same, root 1 plus sin x. This value will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus of root 1 minus sin x. This will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This is equal to tan inverse of, in this one sin x by 2 get cancelled. So after minus multiply, cos x by 2 get cancelled. Sin x by 2 minus of minus sin x by 2 minus of minus sin x by 2 means sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2. This is 2 sin x by 2. On numerator 2 cos x by 2. So 2 cos x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2. So this will be 2 get cancelled, cot x by 2. Okay, this continuation cos 1 sin x by 2 get cancelled. After minus multiply, this value will be minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 get cancelled. So integral tan inverse of, now we get 2 cos x by 2. So denominator sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2, this will be 2 sin x by 2. In 1 2 get cancelled. Cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, this will be cot x by 2. So tan inverse of cot x by 2. We have cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. Therefore, tan inverse of cot x by 2, this value tan 90 minus x by 2. Now, From inverse property, tan inverse of tan x is equal to x. So where expression pi by 2 minus x by 2. In this pi by 2 constant 1 dx minus 1 by 2 constant x dx. So this value will be pi by 2 into, so 1 dx value x minus half into integral x dx. This value will be x square by 2. Let us go to the next problem. Integral sine of x plus a by sine x plus b dx. Okay. So this type of problems, by using substitution method, let us take x plus b is equal to t. Okay. So let us take x plus b equal to t. Therefore x is equal to, this b bring the right side, t minus b. So now derivative on both sides with respect to x. The derivative of x dx is equal to derivative of t dt, constant derivative 0. Now integral sine of x plus a, where x value t minus b plus a, where dx value we got it dt, this whole divided by sine of x plus b, where x plus b place in right t. Okay, this will be sine of, so t plus of a minus b, dt by sine t. So by using sine a plus b formula, sine a plus b equal to sine a cos b, sine a plus b sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, integral where a place in t, b place in a minus b, integral sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So this whole divided by sine t. Okay. This will be integral. So by using separate division method, cos sine t is cos a minus b by sine t, sine t cos a minus b by sine t dt plus cos t sine a minus b by sine t dt. So in this sine t get cancelled. Cos a minus b constant, cos a minus b constant into 1 dt plus in this sine a minus b constant integral cos t by sine t, cos t by sine t cot t. So this will be cos a minus b into, where t integral 1 dt. So derivative integration get cancelled, this will be t. So sine a minus b integral cot t. This formula is log sine t, log of sine t. Therefore cos of a minus b into, where t value x plus b. So x plus b plus sine a minus b. So log of, okay, this continuation, cos of a minus b into, in the place of t we should write x plus b plus sine of a minus b into log of sine, in the place of t x plus b write. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x to the power x into 1 plus log x dx by x to the power x plus 1. Okay. So by using substitution method, let us take x to the power x plus 1 equal to t. X to the power x plus 1 equal to t. So now derivative on both sides. The derivative of x to the power x, we have derivative of x to the power x is equal to x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Okay. So this derivative formula, x power x into 1 plus log x plus derivative of 1 0 into dx equal to dt. Now, if denominator x to the power x, if denominator x to the power x plus 1 equal to t, then numerator will be dt. Okay, integral dt by t, this will be log t. Therefore, log of, in the place of t, we should write x power x plus 1. Let us go to the next problem. Integral sin square x dx by cos x to the power 6. So, integral sin square x dx by cos x to the power 6. This can be written as cos square x into cos to the power 4x. Okay. Now, integral sin square x by cos square x, this will be tan square x. In this 1 by cos square x into 1 by cos square x. So this will be tan square x. So 1 by cos square x, this will be secant square x into this is also secant square x. So 1 secant square x, write formula from trigonometry formula. So integral tan square x into 1 secant square x formula 1 plus tan square x. Second secant square x value write as it is, secant square x into dx. Now let us take tan x is equal to t. Okay, now derivative on both sides. So derivative of tan x, secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now integral t square into 1 plus t square, secant square dx value, we got it dt. So t square into 1 plus t square dt. So this will be t square into 1 t square dt plus t square into t square t to the power 4 dt. So integral t square. So integral t square, this will be t cube by 3. Integral t to the power 4 t to the power 5 by 5 plus t. In the place of t, we should write tan x. Tan x whole cube by 3. This one tan x power 5 by 5 plus c. Where t is tan x. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.